Welcome to Mr. Brandt's 5th grade everyday math review. In this lesson, we're going to be going over lesson 2.9, which is using multiples of 10 to do some estimating. And I'm recording this during the coronavirus. And my kids have been on their devices a lot, way more than I'd really care for them to be. But let's say that we only allowed them to be on their devices for 40 minutes a day. They're not. They should be. But 40 minutes a day. And right now, we've been dealing with this for really about 90 days. So we've had 90 days, and they've been on their devices 40 minutes a day. That would give us a total of 3,600. And to do that, there's a variety of ways to do that, but one thing to do, let's look at, we've got 2 zeros here, so both numbers end with zeros. We've got 2 zeros, and then 9 times 4 is 36, so that gives us 3,600 minutes that each one has been on their device. Probably have done that in a... Anyway, now let's say I wanted to find out how long it would take for them to get to 360,000 hours of device time. And I'm actually going to switch up the colors on this here. So how long would it take them to get to 360,000 hours of device time? Well, if they get 40 minutes a day, we need to find out how many days it would take them to do this. So, using this as an example to help us, we know that we need to multiply something by 4 to get to 36. So what can I multiply 4 by to get to 36? Well, up here we knew that was 9. Okay. Now, in this part of our number, we have 4 zeros. Over here, we have 1 zero. That's a difference of 3 zeros. Those 3 zeros need to be put over here. Okay, so let's check to see how this works, or let's check to see if this is correct. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, so I can put those zeros down here. Then 9 times 4 is 36. And as you can see, we have the same answer here. So hopefully that helps you for the top part on your home link. Now let's check out the practice problems. And for the practice problems, we have some 3-digit times 2-digit numbers. So let's go with 362 times 362 times 25. And we're going to start with an estimate. So for the top number, we're going to round to the hundreds place. And from the hundreds place, we look one place to the right. That's a 6. 6 is higher than 5, so the 3 rounds up. So 362 is going to round to 400. For the bottom number, we're going to round to the nearest 10. So from the tens place, we look one to the right. That's a 5. If the number is 5 or higher, then we round up. So 25 then is going to round to 30. We now have 3 zeros, and 4 times 3 is 12, so our estimate is going to be about 12,000. Now let's find the actual answer. Start at the top, we go from right to left, and we're going to do all the numbers on top times the ones place first. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 is 18. So that gets us to the end of the ones place. So now let's move on to the tens place. Since we're multiplying by the tens place, we're going to put down our 0 as a placeholder. 2 times 2 is 4. And remember, we have to multiply all the numbers on top times the tens place. So 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And we can go ahead and add up those numbers. We have 0. 1 plus 4 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9. Excuse me. Yeah, it's 9. So we get 9,050. That's a little bit far away from our estimate, but for estimate, we're just trying to get close. Hope this video was helpful to you. Have a great rest of your day.